Hey guys, we are at the trailhead for Buford Mountain at the Buford Mountain Conservation Area. We are getting ready to hike in with our packs. We just weighed them this morning. Lisa's pack weighs 20 pounds, mine weighs 30. We've got our buddy James with us over there. James is going to be hiking too. His pack came in at 34, so we will see how it goes. It's about a 3-mile hike in, but the first mile is mostly uphill. And we will check in with you guys in a little while. All right, peace. So we are at the first fork in the trail. The trail itself is like a lollipop, and we've come up the stick, and now we are going to go to the left to Bald Knob. If you go to the right, it'll take you to all 5 peaks on this mountain, but I've heard that only Bald Knob really has the view. So we are going to head to Bald Knob where we plan to camp on the night. We will talk to you when we get to camp. Hey guys, I am on top of Bald Knob on Buford Mountain, the second highest point in Missouri. We've got our camp set up. We are kind of laying around right now waiting for dinner. Buford Mountain got its name from William Buford, who settled the area in 1812 on a Spanish land grant. And you can still find remnants of old charcoal kilns on the side of the mountain where charcoal was a big part of the industry here back in the early 1800s. It's pretty cool. There's another group up here up to camp, but it's just us and them. They're way on the other side of the knob itself. So this is great. Wish you were here if you weren't here. It's a short hike in, maybe 3 miles to Bald Knob from the car. We're not going to do the rest of the trail. We're going to turn around and head back in the morning. But yeah, we will catch up with you guys at dinner time and show you how that all works out. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Morning.
Morning.
We were left on the floor by our air mattresses last night, so gonna return those and go ahead and invest in some better ones. Really windy last night, but it was kind of cool being in the tent, listening to the roar of the wind and not having it blow on us. It was a cool effect. Sun's up. We got a fire going here, small one, because it is windy on top of the mountain. We're gonna have some breakfast and slowly pack up and head back down the mountain. All in all, it's been a pretty good time. We will talk to you later. Well, we are heading back to the car, all packed up. Spent one last moment up at the rock at the top, and now we are making our way back to the car, down the mountain. Hey guys, we're down the mountain and we're back at the car and everything's all in one piece, so we are going to pack up the car and head on home. Yeah, thanks for coming with us on this trip, and we will catch you next time.